Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My lovely fans, before I go into the details, make I first go bring wetin cutie juice right come aside. Chai, when would they tell and say all is not well with Juju Ekwensu? Some people think maybe because we are male nations, we are supporting May, we don't like her. That's why we are saying all kind of things about her. There is no all kind of things about Juju Ekwensu. Juju Ekwensu is living in hell. You know hellfire on earth. You know in this earth where we dey, some people they live in paradise. Some people are already living in their heaven. Now so some people they live for hellfire. You see Juju Ekwensu, our hellfire na bottomless pit hellfire. The worst punishment na Juju Ekwensu they receive. If you know what Juju Ekwensu is going through, you will know say God of karma exists. Now, let's see what Cutie Juice wrote. In Obasi house, I was made a university graduate and a celebrity. In Isimili house, I don't turn Monday seat at home ambassador. Let the rain come down and dry Judy Austin tears. Let her feel the pains of husband snatcher. Let her tears continue to increase, oh God. Let her feel the pains of destroying another woman's soul. Oh, oh. My lovely fans, if I tell una say all is not well, believe me, all is not well. If Juju Ekwensu wrong go right, they go pursue and go left. If she wrong go left, they go pursue and go front. If she wrong go front, they'll pursue and go back. What this woman is going through, she be like person wey carry elephant for head. They use leg, they find ants, they go. Hi, my lovely fans. Ekwensu romasi mami water. Now she be the #1 loser for this whole game. May Edochie is 1 million times ahead of her. Yo, e life not good though. Yo, life bend like Nigeria economic. But yo see they run follow everything under skirts because they don't use am curse am. E ancestors don't already use am curse am. Say everything under skirts now go be a problem. If you make 100,000 today, 80,000 is going for under skirts. The remaining 20,000 you go send 5,000 go give Juju Ekwensu. The remaining 50,000 you go use and pay for hotel. So tell you the whole hotel debt when they take they carry different women, they go hotel. That is how serious it is. Juju Ekwensu is going through hell. Una see wetin Cutie Juice right? At least when he did Mr. Obasi house, Mr. Obasi send her go university. Gave her the opportunity, all the opportunity she need in life. She went to university. She studied. She became a celebrity right in Mr. Obasi house. Right in Mr. Obasi house. She said she wants to go into acting. She said she wants to go into acting. Mr. Obasi gave her the opportunity, everything. She was living her best life. She was okay. She was okay with that man. And the man loved her. She decided to throw it all and run after a married woman. And run after a married man. Look at Juju Ekwensu life today. You your mama born 3 children. Go abandon her for Abuja. You know what he was doing, He know. He knows say Juju Ekwensu na super glue. He knows say Juju Ekwensu na chingom. His intention was that he was going to Abuja to do politics. When he find out that the politics not favor, the best thing you would have done is pack Juju Ekwensu with him. All of them return back to Enugu. But no, this man stuck Juju Ekwensu for Abuja. Only one return back. Because he knows say Juju Ekwensu go dey shout, Isi Miri Jofo, Isi Miri Jofo, Ezedike, they follow and they go for Asaba. Now you abandon you start, abandon Juju Ekwensu. Now you abandon Juju Ekwensu for Abuja. Carry a two-legged this Benz, go Asaba, go the Nakademus everything on the skirts. Everything on the skirts. He just the Nakademus they go. Juju Ekwensu is the loser here. The cloth business we tell now say she they do. If na bring money come, she'll go give them the so. Then if they so, they'll take their own. She'll take her own. She'll send her come give her. Not be say she get one particular place when she just open, say this business is her business. In all day. Now make her they sit down for one room, they do advert. When he see say una come they laugh, she come they go hotel. She come they go hotel, go they take picture. That house where they did for there, now only God knows that house be. If to say that house na fine house, Juju Ekwensu for the use and take pepper una for social media. If to say the house where Juju Ekwensu dey na fine house, if for don't use and pepper una for social media, the house not fine. Now only that particular spot, now it dey okay for that house. You not buy any furniture to maintain the house, nothing. They just carry and they just put on that roof. Born children, she feel say life don't finish. Now she don't feel the pains. Do you know the pains Juju Ekwensu is feeling? Now Lizzie go. Now Golden Lizzie and you video when it surfaced yesterday. A lot of people are saying there is nothing going on between Golden Lizzie and you. That they just want to put something on social media people mouth, make they talk, make it pepper them, make they cry. Fine, we agree. Nothing they go on between you and Golden Lizzie. But the reaction of Juju Ekwensu will tell us if something is going on or not. Abi? Okay, if you and Golden Lizzie decide to pretend, what about Juju Ekwensu? Is Juju Ekwensu not supposed to be a partaker of the pretenders? Juju Ekwensu supposed no say you and Golden Lizzie say that they pretend. Abi na only you and Golden Lizzie go they do the pretender, and Juju Ekwensu will not be aware. Juju Ekwensu not sleep throughout yesterday night. As she said she be monitoring spirit. We say na monitoring spirit now. Juju Ekwensu did not sleep throughout the night. Juju Ekwensu did not sleep throughout the night. She not sleep. Juju Ekwensu eye was wide open, crying. She cried throughout the night. Juju Ekwensu cried throughout the night in silence. Everything they chop on for inside body, she no fit talk come outside. Because this is exactly what Mie Edochie went through. When Mie Edochie was in a Ajah mansion, you was in Enugu. Then na Enugu they do movie. And there they stay. Mie Edochie find out that the distance in this relationship is getting too much. Now I tell your husband, say, Oga, you either come Lagos or then we relocate to Enugu. What is this? This is no longer marriage. Which one be come and go? Everything on her. She's just living like a single mother. You say, don't worry, don't come. You no agree. He say, make Mie Edochie stay for Ajah, make it stay for Lagos. Me no worry, he go dey come where now. That was how you stop Mie Edochie from coming to live with him in Enugu. Meanwhile, Juju Ekwensu and you now they stay together. Juju Ekwensu and you were living together. As Golden Lizzie and you the waka so. Now so Juju Ekwensu and you the waka. Una never see the picture. When he go one campaign meeting, Juju Ekwensu dey with her. When he do one perfume advert, Juju Ekwensu dey with her. Now and Juju Ekwensu they go everywhere. They do everything. They were doing like husband and wife. But when you ask them, they will tell you they are colleague. So Mie Edochie was all alone. But when the marriage ended, Juju Ekwensu won't talk. When she know definitely that she was the cause of the problem, why that man was not frequent in his marriage. Juju Ekwensu won't talk. He said, May Edochie did not take her home serious. Now she they take care of you. Now she they cook for you. You is always with her because May Edochie never care. When she know definitely say this man was under your lap, you know they let her go see your wife. If you won't go, you start to cry. Yeah, because yeah, I miss you. The man will say, okay, I will go next week. 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 Now, so next week go change to 3 months. Me and Edochie will see husband for I. But the same Juju Ekwensu accused me Edochie that she did not do her duty well as a whole. That me Edochie did not do her duty well as a wife. She not take proper care of her husband. Today the rope don't tie Juju Ekwensu. The rope don't tie Juju Ekwensu. Ekwensu romance Mami Water now is going worse than me Edochie. Sorry for the English. Worstest. Now Juju worstest. Now Juju Ekwensu they go through now. Now she they go through. Now she no will even fit talk come aside. She have to pretend that Golden Lizzie and you they are pretending. She have to accept it that they are pretending. She cannot challenge. Now her sister now she they use so they go the right comment for Golden Lizzie page. If you go Golden Lizzie page now, you go see her sister. She will go there, go use fake account to the right comment say, if you don't leave somebody husband, this one will happen to you, that one will happen to you. You is already taken, you can't take him. Now her sister now she they use they go the right to those things. Because she cannot voice it out. This is exactly what she did to me Edochie. Now they don't abandon Juju Ekwensu for Abuja. All to herself with 6 children under her roof. Now only she, they carry the whole load. So that it got to a time when Juju Ekwensu was fed up of this whole thing. Now she tell you say she's coming to Asaba. Juju Ekwensu go Asaba, go they fire house where one rent. Say she won't move, go Asaba. She's fed up. She cannot anymore. All these things is too much now. Waiting. You the show. You won't go stay Asaba. You tell us you won't go stay Asaba. You go find your money to rent also. You go pay by yourself. You go carry the expenses. You see that house where they there so. If the money won't expire now, if landlord drag, if he cry, Papa go pay. If you go carry, you think the father will come and pay for that? Not only you go pay, you go work that time. Now Juju Ekwensu they run back to Abuja. Because if she really go carry the house, how she want to survive with house with 6 children? How she want to survive? It's gonna be hell for her. So she have to run back to Abuja, leaving you all to all the Nollywood girls in the industry. Not be the one where you show, not be only that one they knack. This man is knacking everything on that skirt. Everything on that skirt. You is a sports man. A share man na you be. With a different fantasy way they find for different women where they carry. Different fantasy. We don't hear that one tire now. As you see her for there so. Different for any woman where carry go ask her strange things. Now make an office stay with one woman. I don't know where for the learn bad thing. As you see her so bad thing where they do for bed. Now they you head. One Olosho we carry for Asha. One Olosho we carry for Asaba where expose you. You can go pay that Olosho make it quiet. Now make us not carry the details come aside. Because the Olosho say if they carry the details come aside, he go come and come drag the people. He not talk. The Olosho wanted to talk, but you can go use money to close him out. He carried that Olosho go hotel. If you see the kind fantasy way he has Olosho, the kind fantasy, that man is crazy, and that's why I can't stay with one woman. He can't. Different things. Juju Ekwensu cannot give him all. Juju Ekwensu now that one he don't have that one front, he has some back. They knock him for backyard. He don't scatter Juju Ekwensu backyard. If Juju Ekwensu sit down, the place where sit down go dey wet. You know, say some people they sit down, they wet from sweat. I'm not talking of that one. Water go they come out for inside a bumble. When you don't scatterblize the backyard. All this fantasy was what he did not ask his wife. Now all this one he they learn. Now this man is everywhere in Asaba. Abandoning Juju Ekwesu to herself. Juju Ekwesu na Isa has there. Monday to Sunday. Monday to Sunday. She know they fit come outside. Juju Ekwesu cannot come outside from that estate to do anything. If he come out, now so they drag her. If she go market, they must drag her. Anyway, where she go to the shot husband snatcher. She don't have a life again. Juju Ekwesu, the kind punishment where they upon Juju Ekwesu, now waiting person not even they pray for your enemy. If you people can understand what this man is going through, she can't come out to do buying and selling. She can't go to the market. She can't go to the mall. She can't go to, she know they go church. Monday till Sunday, she'll just sit down for his house. Carry phone, they read all our comments, they go. They read all comments. That is what she live for. Why you is busy in Macadamos, all the women they go. She thought that giving birth to 3 children will pin this man down. May do she give birth to 4 children, minus 1 way Congo, may so rest in perfect peace. This man not still think of his children. A man that have the conscience to abandon his children and run follow Bekos. And then you think they know useless man. If you want to know a useless man, see how he treats his ex-wife and his children. If that man respects his ex-wife after the divorce and give his children his respect, know that that man is a good man and that woman lose. But when you see men like you borrow your leg and run. Juju Ekwesu don't learn, and she don't learn in a very hard way now. Juju Ekwesu don't have her life. Mr. Obasi gave her everything. Everything. The man not gets, but the man was not poor, but he gets more. But that small way gets, he used to take care of Juju Ekwesu and her family. He was present in everything for her. But this woman said, no, na Edochie name, na better pass Obasi. See where Edochie put her now. See where he put her one corner of us. Now so you go sit down money tonight. She don't have life of her own. She know they mingle with people. She know they come outside. They know they carry and go party. You is not proud of her. Her fans, they deceive her. They tell her, say, you get Bobby, you get Bumble. I they tell her right from the one, say, you don't like fat women. You don't like fat women. Men, they get what they like. Man will like slim women. They like slim women to be with them. But when they see a woman with big bobby and big bumbo, it's just for knocking and go. You feel my point? And there are men that like big bobby and big bumbo. Those kind of women, they will keep them. Then you see them flirting around with slingers. Those slingers is not for them to keep. It's for testing. They want to test them. You is a man that likes slim women. And they talk and right from the one. Like slim women. Juju Ekwesu is not you spec. Especially see how she come be now. All the shapelessness come aside. If Juju Ekwesu open Bekus, you go wrong. The crocro way there lap, you go wrong. If she raise her bobby go up, the smell low and the black thing way food down there. You know fit pull mat now. You know fit. Not be to get big bobby. You they clean her always. They use cold water, put for inside towel, use and pass the down every time. If not, that down there will be black for heat. You can't look ugly. Now so Juju Ekwesu be. All those things not they attract you again. Now make them they run. Nothing they attract them. But if you was somebody that like a woman with big bobby and big yansh, if you like make crocro there, if you like make anything there under the bobby, you will still stay. But that is not his spec. See how Juju Ekwesu don't condemn her life. Juju Ekwesu na lose for this hotel. Now she lose. She lost a man that truly loved her. She lost her beautiful home that Mr. Obasi was helping her to build. She ended up with a married man. A married man, gay married man. Mr. Obasi better pass you 100 times. You is a useless man. He ended up with a useless man that cannot even protect and keep her. That cannot even stand for her. You cannot stand for Juju Ekwensu. When he was doing it to May Edochie and the children, she thought that her own was special. No be person come Mama Juju Ekwensu that they insult her. What do you talk? You not talk anything. If you like, you cause Juju Ekwensu, you not concern you. He's not interested. Because that was what he did to his first children. And he's doing it to Juju Ekwensu. You not said. Juju Ekwensu days has now tears. If I tell her, say that woman is crying, she's crying. Juju Ekwensu is crying. If you can turn her the hand of the clock, Juju Ekwensu will not fall into this thing. I'm telling you, she will not try it. She is regretting. Juju Ekwensu is abandoned. That Golden Lizzie and they are pretending. Go and ask Juju Ekwensu. Not be we go talk am. Now Juju Ekwensu action you say no. How you get man? Your man go dey carry another woman, they go party when you are still very much alive. Then they say he's pretending. How the man make una continue pretender? Ekwensu romance mami water is called karma. You cannot escape it. And this is just the beginning. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.